Okay, we're in Macau. We're gonna be going down this street, straight down that way. Before we go down, the lights are coming up. There's Lisboa and Grand Lisboa. You can see Macau Tower through the skyway right there. And then this is Avenida de Praia Grande with some up that's a fortress that's been there for a long time. This used to be the ocean. Where I'm standing used to be the ocean, and that would be cannons are up there. But anyways, this is the starting spot, but we're going to be going into those lights over there and filming down that particular street with the pink building, so stay tuned for that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so see all those neon lights. This is kind of an interesting area. We're gonna kind of follow along and go in. First thing you can see is some of these other casinos here, and Avenida de Praia Grande, and we're gonna be heading over that direction. It's like a gambler. This one has a lot of tourists, so a lot of tourists will be in this area, and they'll be I don't know, I just feel like they're like taking a break from the casinos for a little bit. So we're gonna walk down this path in our neon lights. I'm just kind of checking it all out and capturing it on film as well. And that's our target street right over there. And we're just gonna follow these crosswalks all the way down. I don't know if I filmed this Lopo Sarmento de Carvalho. Should I be filming that street instead? Maybe I should. Let's look at all these neon lights too. This is actually great filming because the lights are just coming down. So you know what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna capture this street, and actually this is perfect. Avenida de Lopo Sarmento de Carvalho, because of the lighting, it's like just about perfect. So we're just gonna go down and go all the way to the end of this particular street. This is gonna be our focus street, which is a little bit different than what I was planning to do, which was this one to the left right here. And I'll show you that as well. Yeah, actually in this area, there's a lot more, there's like a lot of casinos that are, I call them like budget casinos. There's Compec. But they're like, all the prices in the casinos or hotels are a lot cheaper here. This was the street I was gonna go down, Praça de Afonso Enriquez, and I was gonna go down this little alley right there. But because I don't think I've ever filmed this street right here, I should just continue down it, go down Compec Street, kind of highlight it. Yeah, actually this one is kind of cool too. This one is a nice transition street between this one and the next one. But we're gonna go down, see all the jewelries and pharmacy. I think jewelries maybe kind of feel like it's like laundering money, but I don't know. And all these gold as well. So you can see these gold ones where you can buy like the Buddha infusion, like 45,000 baht, 58,000, 39,000. And then you go into this little area, and I think there's more wine you can buy, more statues. We're gonna head back out again. All these, a lot of pharmaceutical stuff is very, very popular among mainland Chinese tourists. And I think a lot of it's because they don't trust their pharmaceuticals within mainland China, I think. Shark's fin, that's a delicacy that's highly controversial but extremely popular with mainland Chinese tourists. This one has wine and whiskey, so that's also very popular because of all the wines come out of Portugal in particular. There's the Wynn Casino, and we're gonna just walk all the way to the end. Yeah, and I don't think I filmed this particular street before. And I guess it probably is quite interesting for someone who doesn't know Macau to see all these watch shops. and the watches are kind of a different era of watches. So now we're coming out over here. Hello, how are you? So now we're kind of, oh yeah. And there's you can see, nice image, right? Yeah. My son. So pretty cool. So I'm with my son today as well, so he was kind of curious. So that's the Star World Casino straight ahead. Looks like he's with his tour group. And that's Amazon Wynn Casino, and here's Lisboa Casino. So we are gonna walk. I just want to walk across real quick. I'm just gonna capture the sign. So there it is, Avenida de Lopo, Sarmento de Carvalho. That's our street. You see the wind in the background. The wind will have a show as well. So let's go back. And so now you kind of got to see another little side of Macau there. And we're just gonna walk briefly, catching these kind of neon light images. And what I want to do is just come up to the right here, and there's kind of a nice little alley. I want to include it because when I do go down this street, I usually will take this one to the right. And it's just a little bit of a, I'll show you. Kind of funny, that guy, it's like from the mainland, so he was kind of curious about my camera, right? So this little thing right here, this little lane, and then of course you can go down the main street over there, but we're just going to go down this lane. I'm just going to include it in ours because this also has all these kind of shops that I feel are catering towards the mainland. A bunch of whiskey there, Red Bull, camera shops, watch shops. It's very interesting. I'll keep on walking through. I'm just going to come all the way out to the end here. And now you can see all these neon lights over here as well, including Compact. You see this casino is Fortuna. So Fortuna, and then we have this interesting little alley right there as well. And I'm just going to come down here real quick. Japanese. You got Compact Bar right there. It says welcome to Compact Paradise. And it's modeled under the Las Vegas one as well. And actually, you know what? I'm gonna go up here just for a second. And we're just gonna take a look at it from the up there, and I think there might be a window. And then we're just gonna see, this is kind of interesting too, they got these right there. I think it's gonna go to the casino, and then I think it's gonna end, but let's just take a look here real quick. So I think that's actually the casino. Let me see what this is. Yeah, I think that's the casino, so we'll come back down. Then you can just kind of see. So okay, so now we're gonna come back down, and then and that'll be basically it. It's kind of interesting though. You can see like the Compact Bar advertisement right there. Bottles. So just gonna head back on up, and we're gonna head out this way. Okay, so there's actually more around in here, and I'm just gonna come back over here. And then we're gonna end it, but our street was straight ahead right there. And then that's that Compact Paradise Casino. that's so actually those lights will come on in a little bit as well. Compact Paradise. Okay, so that's our street in Lopo, Carvalho, Hotel Lisboa. We started over there by that fortress. We're just trying to break an hotel over there. We're in Lisboa Palace, and Lisboa Palace as well. Shanghai restaurant and Compact, and in the distance is Wynn Casino. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la movidinha.